All right, so for the first one, the key word here is that it's an equilateral triangle. So what we have to do is figure out the sides and which ones are the same. So do you want to find x first or y first? So what it's saying is this side, and this side are all the same length. Let's do x first because it's easier. So you would have 3x plus 1. If it's equilateral, then it's going to equal what? What's another side? Let's do 49 just because it's an easy number. Okay. Then you go here. Then you just solve for x. So we're going to subtract 1. 3x equals 48. Divide by 3. X would equal 16. And we're going to do the same thing for y. Add 41. 18y equals 90. Divide by 18. Y equals 5. So if you went and plugged those back in, this would give you 49. And this would give you 49. Okay. Moving down to number 2. RST is equilateral, find x and then the measure of each side. So the easiest way to do this is to set two of them equal to each other. So let's do the ones. We'll do this one, 10x minus 6 is equal to 7x plus 18. We can get the same on the same source. Subtract 7. And then we'll add 6. We're going to do that. We'll get 3x. Those will cancel out. Those will cancel out. 24. 5 by 3. That's a 4. X equals 8. Okay. Then it says find the measure of each side. So we can just plug it into one of the equations and we'll find because it's equilateral, we can find each side. Good. Good. So each side will be 74. Okay. Jump down to 3. Same thing. Equilateral again. So let's figure out what x equals. Once again, we'll move things around to get x by itself. Work from left to right. There. Get x by itself by dividing by 5. We get 13 for x. And then to find each side, we'll make it easy. We'll plug that in for this equation. So each side would be 27. Moving On to number 4. For number 4, now this one's different because it's an isosceles triangle. So looking at this triangle, which two sides are going to be the same? The right and the left. So this one here and this one here. Okay. So how would we set up a problem to find out what x would equal, knowing that those two are the same? Good. So we're going to set them equal to each other. Good.
You should have 3x and 30.
Okay. Okay, so x equals 10. So now the next part of the question says the measure of each side. Yep, you're just going to plug them in. So 8 times 10 minus 13. 5 times 10 plus 17. 10 plus 21. So if you know that one's 67, what's the next one going to equal? Good, because they're the same. And then you come down here to this one. 31. Pretty simple. All right, I want you guys to try 5. Okay, so those of you that are online, try number 5. Take a picture of it, send it to me.